The official release of Windows 11 has happened. Because the new operating system is solely focused on design, most Windows apps have undergone significant changes. Furthermore, the new operating system has been stripped of some functions that might be extremely irritating to some users. One of these changes is the elimination of the option to change the size of your system's taskbar. However, as we will demonstrate in this video, there is a remedy for the problem. The taskbar settings page allowed users to change the size of their taskbar in prior versions of Windows. But fear not, with a tiny hack, you can still modify the size. Using this method, you can manually edit the Windows registry and create a new key that adjusts the size. Having said that, the technique is fairly simple and not at all difficult, so you can follow our directions exactly. However, we recommend making a backup of your Windows registry because it is a very powerful tool, and any erroneous modifications can cause your operating system to stop working completely. As a result, make a registry backup to avoid such situations. In the stages we'll take, I'll teach you how to achieve just that. So, here's how you accomplish it. To begin, click on the Start menu. On the search box, write Regedit. Click on Registry Editor. Click Yes. The Windows Registry window will pop up as a result of this. Copy the specified path and paste it in the address bar to travel to the following location in the Windows registry. The video's description can be used to copy the path. You can simply go to the address manually, but this is the most convenient option. Allow us to manually open the path. When you're there, right-click and select New from the menu on the right-hand side. Select Word 32-bit value from the drop-down menu. A new key will be generated as a result of this action. Rename the key to Taskbar C. You can do that by right-clicking the new key and select from the drop-down menu Rename. Double-click the newly formed key after you've done so. Change the value to whatever you like. There are 3 possible values, 2 big, 1 medium and 0 small. If you want a larger taskbar, for example, type 2. Then, when you're ready, press OK. Close the Windows registry window and restart your computer. The adjustments will take effect as soon as your computer boots up, and the taskbar size will be adjusted. Allow me to demonstrate another taskbar size variation. I'll accomplish the same thing as you, but in a shorter amount of time. To make the taskbar smaller, I'll set it to 0. I'm going to reboot the computer right now. It's here, the new taskbar. Please show your gratitude by liking the video if you remain till the end. Also, subscribe to our channel for more tech videos and leave a comment below. Good luck with your day.